Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh portable charger is your ultimate solution, keeping your devices powered for days. Imagine charging your iPhone 6 or more times from a single charge. That's the incredible 20000mAh capacity this power bank delivers. But it's not just big. Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology intelligently identifies your device for the fastest possible charge, every single time. Forget waiting turns. With dual USB ports, you can simultaneously power up 2 devices, perfect for you and a friend, or your phone and tablet. Whether you're traveling, camping, or just out and about, this is the best portable charger to ensure you're never disconnected. This isn't just any battery pack, it's a reliable, high-capacity guardian for all your mobile electronics, offering peace of mind wherever you go. If you're ready to upgrade your charging experience, check out the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh through the Amazon link in the description. It's an essential accessory for anyone needing serious power on the go, making dead batteries a problem of the past. For adventurers, commuters, and anyone searching for a powerful, trustworthy power bank, this is absolutely your top choice. We highly recommend the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh. Click the link below to get yours today.